Hi guys! I hope you enjoy eating salads in the summer because we have so much green salad that I will have to come up with so many new recipes to use up all of the salad. And I've been eating salad like every day at least once because we have so much growing in the garden and I just don't want to the salad to spoil, so I'm trying to eat as much as possible. And today I have some beautiful salad here, some green salad, and also we have some of this purple reddish salad, so you could use different kinds of salads for this recipe, but I have these two that I'm gonna use from the garden. And I was planning actually another recipe, but then I also noticed that we have some delicious sweet peas that need to be used because, well, with peas they kind of get, they lose their sweetness if you don't pick them on time. So, because I love eating them when they're still sweet, I picked a big bowl and I will be making the salad with these two beautiful things from the garden and some delicious other ingredients that we will be adding. We are going to start by frying the bacon because that's the only thing that we need to cook for this recipe. And I have my pan heating here, and on the side I also have prepared a plate with a double layer of kitchen towels. That's where I'll be putting the bacon so that it can drip off some of the excess fat. So I have my pan on full heat, and now that it's warm I'm gonna add the bacon. And you want to fry the bacon on full heat. You can of course fry it on medium heat, that will just take a little bit longer. When you have it on high heat, it basically means you have to watch it carefully because once it gets really brown and crunchy, then it goes really fast. So if you have it on full heat, then just keep a close eye on the bacon. And I just want to get it really crunchy. That's how I like it. If you don't like it as dark or as crunchy, then you can remove it a little bit earlier. I'm gonna turn these around. Now I'd like to turn them around again, so you can keep them on just one side, but I like to keep on checking that they are evenly browned from both sides. So just turning them around one more time. And at this point you want to really keep an eye on them. As you can see, they're getting really brown really fast. So I'm just gonna remove some of these that are already looking good. So I have my bacon here, it's ready, and you can see it's already releasing some fat onto the paper. So I'm gonna get rid of that excess fat so that I don't get that into my salad. And what you could also do is to just cover it with another layer of paper so that it absorbs the fat from the top of the bacon as well. And now I'm just gonna leave it aside to cool for the time that I'm cutting the rest of the ingredients for the salad. So first I have my colorful salad here, and I'm gonna cut that. So I have like, well, a small bunch. You can see it fits in my hand. So just a little bit. And I'm just gonna roughly cut it. You could also just tear the salad, so you don't always have to cut the salad. Then I also have like a small bunch of the green salad. So I'm just gonna tear the leaves apart because they are attached to the middle. So I'm just gonna remove them. And I don't want to use this part because it can be quite bitter. And I'm gonna add the small leaves just as they are, because they're really tiny, the really small ones in the middle. And then I'm just gonna roughly cut these as well. Then I have about a half of a cucumber, and I'm gonna just cut that. Then we are going to add some of the green peas. So I'm just gonna grab about a handful. I don't know how much I'm gonna use, but I'm just gonna add some, and then I'm gonna see if that's enough. So it's really simple with these. You just want to open, actually, from here. So get the green peas open, and then you can add them to the salad right away. So I did add the whole handful that I was showing to you. Well, not including a couple that had to be sacrificed for taste test, but that's all in there now. So I have the peas, the cucumber, and the salad leaves in there. Now I'm gonna add in the bacon. So the bacon has been cooling, now it's cool. And I just wanna cut it roughly, again, roughly, just so that I have pieces of bacon then in my salad. You could also just break it with your hands because it's so crunchy, it's just gonna fall into pieces. So I'm gonna add most of it into the salad, but I'm gonna leave a little bit just for the decoration. So when I was thinking about this salad, I thought it would be great to add some Parmesan or Parmigiano cheese on the salad, or to the salad. And so I'm gonna cut some slices with this cheese grater. You could just grate some into the salad, but I want slightly bigger pieces. So just this kind of slices, and then I'm gonna add in those straight into the salad. And also with the cheese, you want to leave some aside for decoration. So we have the salad almost ready. We just need to make the dressing for it now. And it's gonna be super simple. You need 2 tablespoonfuls of natural flavored yogurt, which you then just want to season with a little bit of salt, because we have the bacon and the cheese there, so no need for a lot of salt. And then also with the black pepper, and then you just want to give it a mix. Now you want to bring back the salad and add the dressing into the salad. And then you just want to mix it well so that you have the dressing all over your salad. I don't like a lot of dressing in the salad, so you're going to see that all of the salad is not going to be like soaked in the dressing. But if you like a little bit more, you could make more, so you could add 3 tablespoons instead of 2. But I like to keep it light so that there is just a little bit of the dressing, but it's not overpowering. Just want to plate the salad, so you can see I've grated some more of the cheese on top so that it looks really nice, and then I've added some of that bacon on top as well. What do you think? I think the little guy is more happy about the salad situation now than before with all the delicious additions to it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you will try it out. If you will, let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. And now I'm gonna grab this little guy and enjoy this delicious salad. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you liked this delicious salad recipe. If you did, please don't forget the thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.